meteorologist Brian Davis and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
All right, looks like that threat of severe weather should be out of here in about the next 30 minutes or so. We're still looking at a severe thunderstorm warning until 11:45, southern Logan County, Champaign, and also the northwestern parts of Clark counties. And those that warning indicating the potential for winds up to 60 miles per hour as that line of storms continues to track eastward. But boy, there's a strong cold front coming through. We're starting to see the effects of that. Winds picking up on the Stall Vision camera in Beaver Creek, wet roadways there. The temperature is definitely dropping. The camera shaking around, and you can see those strong winds up in Greenville. We're probably getting wind gusts now between 30 and 40 miles per hour on the SVG Chevrolet camera located in Greenville, and those streamers and pennants really moving around out there with those gusty winds. Here's the satellite radar view now, mostly just looking at the radar imagery because that's what our primary concern is. You can see that line of storms, the most intense core of it located right up here into Logan County, heading up toward Bell Fountain. So be very careful. Take shelter from this storm, even though we don't have a warning out specifically for Bell Fountain. It's always a good idea to get to your safe location until this line passes over the next 15 minutes or so, and then the storm's extending southward down into Champaign County too. So right around Bell Fountain, West Liberty, under the gun, it looks like the strongest winds will be coming across US 68, the potential for winds of 50 to 60 miles per hour as that line continues to push eastward. We're at 55 degrees now, a west wind at 20 miles an hour, 93% the relative humidity, and here comes the temperature drop. We're down to 55 here in Dayton. You can see the readings into the low 50s to the west of us, 40s to the west out into Indiana, so those temperatures will quickly come down tonight. A chilly night on the way. Our cold front swinging through already east of the Dayton area, taking that line of storms with it, so the threat of severe weather pretty much over with by midnight for us. Then that line heads out into the eastern part of Ohio and western Pennsylvania. A lot of lingering cloud cover tomorrow morning, and we may see the clouds start to break a bit tomorrow afternoon as this area of high pressure starts to slide into the Miami Valley. Definitely a clearing trend tomorrow night, but looks like much colder weather tomorrow after a mild Easter today, with those temperatures even cracking the 70-degree mark for the afternoon highs. Showers, thunderstorms will come to an end later tonight. Those west winds 15 to 30, could be some gusts in excess of 40. Obviously, with that line of thunderstorms, perhaps 50 to 60 for about the next 15 minutes or so. Our low temperature tonight, 46 degrees. Tomorrow, some morning clouds, a few breaks in the clouds in the afternoon. Not much rise in temperatures tomorrow with the colder air coming in at high around 47 degrees. Winds could gust in excess of 30. 53 the high on Tuesday, 68 on Wednesday. We'll be around 68 on Thursday. It looks like Wednesday night and Thursday, some more rain coming back. And even though temperatures moderate midweek, looks like a cooling trend for the end of the week as we head towards Saturday and into Sunday with below normal temperatures as we start the month of April. So pretty active weather pattern this evening, but at least most of Easter weekend turned out pretty nice.
Yeah, and after an interesting night, the rest of the week not looking too bad either.
No, actually kind of a cool end to the month of March for us.
All right, thank you, Brian. We'll stay with us. We'll be right back.